Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Jen and you are watching Canadian Jen Unboxing. So I am finally off my phone now and onto my camera. I got this little remote from Amazon for like $7. So if I glance over to the side, it's just because I'm checking to see if things are going okay. So today I am going to be doing December's Slay Glam box. I didn't realize that I didn't have that yet, and it was December's box coming. So next box will be current. I probably won't keep this one very long just because I want to try things out. I will be keeping Ipsy and I will be keeping BoxyCharm and FabFitFun. I just may try like other boxes every 3 months, every 6 months, just to check things out. So yeah, Slay Glam box is $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size products in it. It looks like this, like it's a little damaged. It has a little, looks like a little purse. It's cute, but it's $24 US a month. So just keep that in mind. I will put everything down below for you. This is a little card that you get in the box. It just says just information here about the company, and then on the back is just like every other subscription box. It says what you got and how much everything was. So first off, we are going to get into the J.Cat Fab 5 eyeshadow palette. So that's what that looks like. I probably won't keep this. I will probably just put it to the side and do a giveaway eventually. They're pretty. They're just not something I can see myself wearing. Yeah, so that will just be thrown in a giveaway here. So, yeah. So, J.Cat Beauty Fab 5 eyeshadow. And that comes to $4.99 for that. Okay, so next up we have the Cailyn Cosmetics Makeup Master Blender. So they are sponges. So apparently you can use them wet or dry. They're non-latex. They're really soft. So I think they'll be good. I'm excited to try them out. I need a new sponge actually, so perfect to get 7 of them in a box. So that right there comes to a total of $25 for those. Next up, we have the Rasha.B Cosmetics Lip Liner set. So it comes in a box like that. You got three shades. So cranberry, natural, and nude. I will definitely use all of those. Let's just check out one very quickly here. We will check out the nude. Let's see here. Ooh, pretty. So that's what that looks like. It goes on really smooth, guys. So that's the nude color. So I think it will be nice. That comes to, sorry guys. That comes to a total of $19. Next up, we have the Spoil Lips Liquid Lipstick. It's like a mirror. It's kind of hard to... So that's what that is. And we got... I already taken them out because I had an issue with my camera and I wasn't putting everything back in the box. So I already have everything out. So we got like six shades here. 6 shades. So they're liquid lipsticks. I will be putting these 3 into a future giveaway. So Pooh Bear, Peaches, and Honey will be put with the eyeshadow palette for a future giveaway. I will not wear them. They are not my style and too light. So I will keep Puppet. So let's just do a quick swatch here of Puppet. Oh, pretty. So that's Puppet. The next one is Wifey. So right beside Puppet is Wifey. And then next up is Sweet Pea. So I will definitely use all of those. And Sweet Pea. So those are pretty. I'm excited to try those out. And that comes to a total value of, spoiler lips, $25. So next up and last thing in the box, I believe, is the Rasha.B Cosmetics Tis the Season eyeshadow palette. It's really pretty looking. Let's check it out here quickly. So those are what the colors look like. They have no names, so I'm just gonna grab the green and the cranberry and the gold color over here and just do a quick swatch of them. So the green, this cranberry color right here, and then this gold. So let's see. Oh, they're actually really smooth. So that's what they look like on the fingers. Let's see how they... Okay, so the cranberry one has a little bit of a little powdery, but the colors are nice. The colors are actually really pretty. I can't wait to play around with those and see what kind of eye look I can get. So those are really pretty. I like them. So that's everything for the box. I probably, like I said, I probably won't keep this one for long. I just wanted to switch it up every now and then. I would like to get the Birch box, but it's not available in Canada, which kind of makes me sad. So I might try like Glossy box. I would have to honestly check to see which ones ship to Canada. There's a lot that don't ship to Canada that the US only gets, so I'm very limited. If someone wants to get me the box and ship me stuff, that would be perfect. So I'm also going to start doing videos of reviews on things and how it performed. So tomorrow I plan on doing a review on how the lip liners and the liquid lipsticks perform. So let's see how they are tomorrow on the lips. I probably won't do the liner on camera, but I will do the lipsticks on film and tell you how they are. What else? I think that's everything. So that was a $24 box and I got 5 things. It's pretty good. I like it. It's probably worth the money. I know this is going to be a little bit harder for me to figure out where to buy this stuff. It's probably going to be mostly online only, so I'll just put all the links down below. But this right here and this right here will be in a giveaway. I will just put those in a nice little box off to the side for future. What else? Oh, so I tried out this today from my Ipsy bag. I like it. I will probably end up going out to buy this. This was really good. Another thing that I tried was, you probably can't tell, but I tried the Space Case It's Not Me. What was it? It's Not Me, It's My Sign blush that I got in my Ipsy bag, the one that my daughter jabbed the brush into. So I got that and it's on my cheeks right now. It's really pretty. I really like it. And this, I have this on my eyes today. You probably can't even tell. I'm probably like looking weird. But anyways, this is really pretty color too. I'm very impressed by that. And I am wearing, from my first BoxyCharm, I am wearing the Dose of Colors Nude Mood on my lips. So that's what that looked like, if you guys remember. And then I'm wearing the Pretty Penny by Too Faced on top. Oh, and I absolutely love this mascara. It's by L'Oreal. It is L'Oreal, right? It's the Lash Paradise one. I really like this one. So that is going to be it for today. please subscribe to my channel and hit the button down below. And hopefully I start getting more subscribers and we can eventually do that giveaway. Okay guys? Bye!